Hey there, I wanted to say thank you for such a great session one. I had so much fun reading all about y'all on the Padlet and looking at your diversity organizers. They were so good. I am stoked. I'm so excited that this class is starting off great and y'all are into it. One thing that I did want to bring to everyone's attention was we have absolutely no diversity in gender in this class. It's just females. While I can already tell there's a ton of diversity within this group, there is no males. So I'll have to turn up my campaigning next time around, try to get some males in the group. But I wanted to just touch on a few things, give you some whole class feedback, and hopefully this feedback will make the coming weeks easier and easier. So let me get started by saying you do have to have the textbook. Several of you have emailed me about that, and I'm not really sure if you're just having trouble accessing or if you just haven't purchased the book. So I'm want to clear up. You do have to purchase a access code from the bookstore. And then you're going to use the link here provided in this e-text section to put in your access code and then access your textbook. If you are having problems with that, let me know. There is some information within those links that would help you. That's what I would have to do, is help get you in touch with the help desk for the company that handles this. But it is super important that you go ahead and get that done. You cannot do session 2 and the continuing sessions without the textbook. So go ahead and do that. I am gonna jump all the way down to session 1. So session 1 has fallen to the bottom of your Moodle page. So when a deadline passes, that will happen to all the sessions. So if you want to go back and look at something, just keep going to the bottom of the Moodle page. I want to stress the importance of watching the direction videos. They will be super helpful for you. And then let me just remind you that I built this course around your growth during this diversity journey. So I'm going to ask you to do a lot of soul searching, a lot of reflecting, a lot of writing about how you have learned a little bit more about yourself or what you might need to be doing different. And so I'm really grading you on effort. So I need to be able to look and see, wow, like she really did put effort into this. I can tell that she's really thought about this and done a solid reflection. So just remember that when you are doing these reflections, I do not want you to write what you think I want to hear. I'm not grading you on that. I really want you to be honest with yourself about maybe your perceptions, things that you have maybe been grown up to assume was true that maybe now you're realizing aren't. It's totally okay if you go, oh my goodness, I've been doing this. I've been looking at people of this diversity dimension and thinking that, you know, this was true and now I'm realizing it's not. It's okay. Those types of realizations are part of the growing process. So your writing will never be shared with anybody other than me. And I'm not grading you based upon what you write. I'm grading you based upon your level of reflection. And for some of these assignments, I'm really looking for some creativity and organization and in-depth efforts. So this is one of those classes where I really want you to enjoy and learn and then Let me see that through your assignments. So you all did fantastic this week. I'm absolutely sitting here looking at the grades going, wow, I cannot believe that this is session 1. Normally it takes a little while for students to kind of get started and start being strong, but you guys are fantastic. So keep up the good work. Please remember, I am only an email away. If you need something, let me know. Other than that, have a great night.